Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pratikha and today I am gonna show you my everyday makeup look, which is so easy and simple. So let's jump into the video. So at first I have cleaned and exfoliated my skin, and then I am using this vitamin C cream by Body Shop. And it also has SPF 30. You can use any other moisturizer that you want, but for everyday look or daytime look, I would recommend to use sunscreen because it will help to protect our skin from sun rays. Now I am using this lip balm by Body Shop. It will keep my lips soft when I'm gonna wear lipstick. Then I'm gonna use primer, which will help my makeup to set in place all day long. Today I'm using Benefit Professional Primer. It also helps to blur all my pores. I'm gonna use LA Girl Orange Corrector. I'm gonna use this around my mouth and under my eyes, and I'm using a tiny bit because I don't want a heavy layer on my face for everyday look. I'm blending this orange corrector with my finger because it is the fastest and very easiest way, I think. Then I am using a concealer, which is my skin tone shade, to cover this orange corrector. I also took this a tiny bit and blending with my finger. Today I am using this foundation from Sephora, which is light to medium coverage. You can use any other foundation or any other BB or CC cream instead of that, and make sure that if your BB or CC cream has SPF, then don't use any sunscreen before. After that, I am using this concealer from Maybelline. This is a bit lighter shade than my usual concealer, but I like to use this for highlighting. I'm using a tad bit so it won't look a heavy layer on my face. Then I'm using this stick blush by Milk Makeup. And then I am using this powder to set my blush and concealer, and this powder is from Maybelline. Using setting spray to set my makeup all day long, and this setting spray is from NYX. I did my eyebrows off camera. I have a tutorial on that. If you want, you can check it out. I will link it in the description box below. I took G-Money and I'm using this on my crease, and then I'm dragging it down on my lid. I am using Temptress close to my lash line. I took a tissue paper and wiped the brush on that, and then I'm gonna smudge Temptress close to my lash line so that it looks like a soft liner. I'm using G-Money for my lower lash line too. Now I'm gonna curl my lash so that it look lifted. I'm using this nude kajal by Rimmel in my waterline. I really like this kajal because I feel like it makes my eyes looks more bigger. You can see the difference here. I'm not gonna use any false lashes today, so I'm using some coats of mascara, and this mascara is from Maybelline. I'm using a bit blush and highlighter. You can skip this part if you want, but I like to use this. I feel like it gives a bit glow on my skin. For lips, I am using my all-time favorite liquid lipstick by NYX, and I'm also gonna use some lip gloss top of it, and this lip gloss is by Elizabeth Arden. At last, I'm gonna finishing up my look by setting my brow, and this brow setter is by Benefit. So here is the final look. You can see there is no heavy layers on my skin and it looks so natural. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And if you really like my videos, then please give me a thumbs up. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care.